Welcome to Interior Design YouTube channel. Discover a world of timeless elegance with our exquisite kitchen cabinet design ideas curated to elevate the heart of your home. Embrace the charm of traditional home kitchen decor as you unveil a plethora of inspiring concept design to infuse warmth and style into your culinary space. From classic wood finishes to sleek modern interpretations, our collection promises to cater to every taste and preference. Explore the artistry to intricate detailing and fine craftsmanship that breathes life into each cabinet, transforming your kitchen into a heaven of sophistication. Let the harmonious blend of traditional and innovation guide your design journey as you explore captivating color palettes and versatile storage solutions. Immerse yourself in the allure of functionality. Elevate your culinary experience with a curated selection of kitchen cabinet design, empty both from and function seamless, include the beauty of bespoke cabinetry tailored to reflect your unique personality and lifestyle, adding a touch of luxury to everyday living. Whether you seek rustic charm or modern allure, our collection promises to inspire and delight, transcending trends to create enduring elegance. Let your kitchen home become a reflection of your impeccable taste and refined sensibilities, which our hand-picked selection of design ideas and decor inspiration. Thanks for watching. Must watch, subscribe and like Interior Design channel.